Hey everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be talking about the stunning and stylish Shreya Saran and her fashion choices. Actress Shreya Saran's recent photo shoot for You and I magazine has caused quite a stir on the internet. The stunning stills were captured by photographer Nikhil Shenoy, with Shreya donning an elegant ensemble from Rientis official and Iriswa fine jewelry. The luxurious Hyatt Centric Juhu Hotel in Mumbai provided the perfect backdrop for the shoot, which was organized by Nadia Malik. Shreya looked absolutely breathtaking in each photo, with makeup by Mahendra and Priyanka Sherkar responsible for her flawless makeup and hairstyling, respectively. The shoot was styled by Juhi Ali, with Lodi Shoes India providing the heels and an accessory from Rubens adding the finishing touch. Shreya's photo shoot was published in both You and I magazine and You and I magazine Weddings, where Niharika Kirti interviewed her. The shoot was promoted by the PR agency QPR, highlighting the actress's ageless beauty and grace. In this fashion feature, the actress donned a pastel pink embroidered sari which she paired with a matching full-sleeved blouse by Falguni Shane Peacock. The sari, sourced from the fashion label Falguni Shane Peacock, boasted intricate silver work all over and was beautifully complemented by heavy borders. The actress paired the sari with a stylish blouse in a matching pink shade. The blouse featured tassels at the hem and a plunging V neckline, and the cuffs were adorned with more tassels. Shreya completed her look with traditional dangle earrings and a makeup look that included contoured cheeks, kohl-rimmed eyes, mascara-laden lashes, and pink lipstick. She had a sophisticated bun hairstyle. Shreya recently shared a series of pictures in which she looked gorgeous wearing an off-shoulder gown from Azar Fashions. The star struck several poses for the camera, showcasing the statement lehenga beautifully. To complement her outfit, Shreya opted for a dewy makeup look with nude shades that suited her perfectly. Her hair was styled in a mid-parted ponytail, while silver dangle earrings completed her ensemble. The actress has always been a fan of saris, and she looks absolutely gorgeous in them. She often wears traditional silk saris with intricate designs and bright colors, and she carries them off with elegance and grace. Shreya also loves to wear gowns for red carpet events and other formal occasions. She has been spotted wearing a variety of gowns, including ones with intricate beading, sequins, and lace. The actress also likes to experiment with western wear and has been seen wearing dresses, jumpsuits, and pantsuits on various occasions. She always manages to pull off these looks with ease. The actress also shared another set of pictures that garnered significant attention on social media. This time, she was dressed in an ethereal floral lehenga featuring mirror work from the same fashion label. Despite the actress looked absolutely stunning as she flaunted her toned physique in the custom-made lehenga. Shreya also loves to wear traditional Indian wear, such as salwar kameez and lehenga choli. She often opts for bright colors and bold prints, which complement her skin tone and enhance her overall look. The actress also likes to experiment with different fabrics and textures. She has been spotted wearing outfits made of silk, velvet, lace, and chiffon. She also likes to play with colors, and she often opts for bold and bright shades that make a statement. One thing that stands out about Shreya's fashion choices is that she always looks comfortable and confident in whatever she's wearing. She doesn't shy away from trying new styles, and she always carries herself with poise and grace. It's worth noting that Shreya is not just a fashion icon, but she also advocates for sustainable fashion. She has spoken out about the importance of ethical and sustainable clothing and has encouraged her fans to make eco-friendly fashion choices. Shreya recently gave a sneak peek of her latest fashion photo shoot, in which she effortlessly blended ethnic and western styles by wearing an outfit designed by Payal Singhal. The stunning ensemble comprised an off-white georgette tie-up choli paired with white pants. The choli featured beautiful multicolored embroidery work in shades of yellow, pink, and blue. The sleeveless design boasted colorful fringe detailing at the borders and strings at the back, making it even more eye-catching. Shreya accessorized her look with studs and styled her hair in loose waves. Her makeup was minimal, with a touch of kohl on her eyes and a hint of pink on her lips. Another noteworthy aspect of Shreya Saran's fashion choices is that she pays attention to details. She often pairs her outfits with the right shoes, bags, and accessories, which add a finishing touch to her look. She has been seen carrying different types of bags, including clutches, totes, and crossbody bags, depending on the occasion and the outfit. Apart from her fashion choices, Shreya is also known for her flawless makeup and hairstyles. She often wears bold lipstick shades and smoky eye makeup, which complement her outfits perfectly. She has also experimented with different hairstyles, including braids, buns, and ponytails, which add a unique touch to her overall look. Shreya is not only known for her acting skills but also hailed as a fashionista with a particular fondness for exquisite saris. Her wardrobe collections are richly infused, and they are sure to inspire anyone looking for fashion inspiration for their next major event. Shreya never fails to turn heads with her ethnic avatar, especially when she wears a sari. She also showcases her fashion sense on her social media handles, where she shares her everyday looks including casual wear and workout outfits. She often wears comfortable yet stylish activewear during her workout sessions, which has inspired many of her fans to follow suit. She believes that looking good while working out can boost one's confidence and help them perform better. Shreya's fashion choices have also been recognized by the fashion industry. She has been invited to several fashion shows and events, where she has walked the ramp for various designers. Her confident and graceful walk has always been a showstopper, and she has received praise for her fashion sense from fashion critics and designers alike. In her chic, matte red dress, the actress looked absolutely stunning. The off-shoulder design was enhanced with heavy ruffle detailing, which added an extra touch of elegance. She chose the perfect accessories, including studs and bracelets, to complement the dress. Her sleek, straight hair and understated makeup, including nude lips, subtly contoured cheeks, and mascara-coated lashes, were the ideal final touches to round out her appearance. Apart from her fashion choices, Shreya Saran is also known for her philanthropic work. She is associated with several charities and social causes and often uses her celebrity status to raise awareness and funds for various issues. She has also collaborated with various sustainable and ethical fashion brands, promoting the idea of responsible fashion choices. She believes in reducing waste and making eco-friendly choices, and this is reflected in her fashion choices as well. Shreya's fashion choices have also inspired many of her fans to experiment with their style and try new looks. She has a massive fan following on social media, where she often shares her outfits and fashion tips. Her fans love her unique sense of style and look up to her as a fashion icon. Shreya Saran's fashion choices have also made an impact on the global fashion scene. She has been featured in several international magazines, including Vogue, which has recognized her as a style icon. She has also been invited to various international fashion events, where she has represented India and showcased her unique sense of style. One of the most memorable fashion moments of Shreya was when she attended the Cannes Film Festival. She made a stunning appearance on the red carpet wearing a gorgeous off-shoulder gown by Manish Malhotra. Her elegant and sophisticated look received widespread appreciation from the fashion critics, making her one of the best-dressed celebrities at the festival. Apart from Cannes, the actress has also attended several other international events, including the Toronto International Film Festival and the Marrakesh International Film Festival. Her fashion choices have always been on point, and she has consistently managed to make a statement with her style. She has been the muse for several renowned designers, including Manish Malhotra, Sabyasachi Mukherjee, and Tarun Tahiliani. Her unique style and elegance have influenced their collections, and they have often created outfits that reflect Shreya's fashion sense. The actress has an impeccable fashion sense, be it ethnic or Western attire. Her fans are always raving about her stunning looks, which are now going viral on social media. Recently, she rocked a beige ruffled sari by Arpita Mehta, showcasing her red carpet elegance. The sari had retro-inspired pleats with ruffled embellishments, which looked stunning on her. To add a contemporary touch, she paired it with a sleeveless blouse that had a plunging neckline and pleated accents. She completed the look with a ruffled belt in the same color, silver oxidized earrings, bangles, a necklace, and a statement ring. With her kohl-rimmed eyes, bare eyeshadow, and pale pink lip color, she looked even more stunning. Brown high heels were the perfect choice to complete her outfit. Shreya's fashion choices have also been appreciated by her fellow actors in the industry. Several celebrities have praised her style, and she has been acknowledged as one of the best-dressed actresses in the Indian film industry. Her fashion sense has earned her a massive fan following, and she has become a style icon for many women. Apart from her fashion choices, Shreya is also known for her beauty and fitness routine. She maintains a healthy lifestyle and often shares her workout and beauty tips with her fans. Her flawless skin and radiant complexion have made her the face of several beauty brands, and she has often promoted the idea of natural and organic beauty products. Another aspect of Shreya's fashion choices that sets her apart is her ability to blend traditional and Western wear seamlessly. She often mixes traditional Indian clothing with modern Western styles, creating a unique and chic look. For instance, she has been seen wearing saris with off-shoulder blouses or pairing a salwar kameez with a denim jacket. Her innovative and experimental fashion choices have earned her a reputation as a trendsetter in the fashion industry. The actress exudes a vibrant and dazzling presence in her red-hot sari photoshoot, captured in an aesthetically shot picture that resembles a classic portrait artwork. Her charming persona, mesmerizing eyes, and captivating smile add the much-needed sex appeal and daintiness to her ethnic look, making her the perfect fashionista. She looks ethereal and drop-dead gorgeous in her stunning red sari as she strikes a candid pose, bringing a candid expression that adds an extra edge to her glamorous shot. Shreya opted for a stunning red lehenga from Jayanti Reddy Labels collection for the event. The lehenga was voluminous and paired with a navy blue, deep-neck blouse that had intricate stone work in floral motifs. The lehenga also featured bird patterns with the same details. To complete the set, she wore a sheer embroidered red dupatta and an embellished belt. Shreya's accessories included a pair of pearl-studded earrings and bangles. She left her hair loose, adorned with a bindi, and complemented her look with winged eyeliner and nude lips. Shreya's fashion choices have also evolved over the years. She has experimented with various styles, from glamorous gowns to casual streetwear. Her style has become more refined and sophisticated, yet she has managed to maintain her individuality and authenticity. Apart from her fashion choices, Shreya is also known for her charming personality and confidence. She carries herself with grace and elegance, which reflects in her fashion choices. Her ability to make a statement with her style and her confidence have made her an inspiration for many. The actress created a buzz on her social media by sharing a series of photos where she looks like a true diva. Donning a brown printed gown with a thigh-high slit, SHR looks drop-dead gorgeous in the images. This time, she kept her accessories minimal and went for a bold smoky eye makeup look. The gown features a plunging neckline, and Shreya's open wavy tresses and bright smile added to her celestial look. These photos are from the Stardust Award. Shreya Saran's fashion choices have also influenced the bridal fashion industry in India. She has been the muse for many bridal wear designers and has often walked the ramp for their collections. Her ability to carry off traditional Indian bridal wear with ease and grace has made her a favorite among designers. Shreya's bridal looks have been a source of inspiration for many brides to be in India. Her elegant and sophisticated bridal looks have become a trend in the wedding industry, and many brides opt for similar styles for their big day. Apart from bridal wear, the actress has also experimented with various looks for her films. She has transformed herself to suit the character she portrays, and her fashion choices have played a crucial role in bringing the character to life. Her ability to portray various styles and looks with ease has made her one of the most versatile actresses in the Indian film industry. Her fashion choices often reflect her support for such causes. She has walked the ramp for several charitable events, and her outfits have often had a message or a social cause attached to them. For instance, she has been seen wearing outfits made by weavers and artisans, promoting the idea of supporting local talent and promoting sustainable fashion. She has also been seen wearing outfits made by NGOs and organizations that support underprivileged women and children. Shreya's fashion choices have also promoted the idea of body positivity and diversity. She has often spoken about accepting one's body and embracing one's uniqueness. Her fashion choices have reflected this ideology, and she has often opted for outfits that celebrate different body types and sizes. The actress always keeps her fans on their toes with her fashion choices, and this time she didn't disappoint. Shreya Saran's fashion choices have also influenced the beauty industry in India. Her impeccable grooming routines, her love for natural and organic beauty products, and her commitment to self-care have made her a beauty icon. Shreya's makeup and beauty routines are often simple and natural, highlighting her natural beauty. Her preference for minimal makeup, bold lip colors, and well-groomed eyebrows have become a signature of her beauty look. The actress has also been vocal about her love for organic and natural beauty products, and her support for these products has helped to promote their use in the Indian beauty industry. Moreover, Shreya Saran's commitment to self-care has also inspired many people to take better care of themselves. She has spoken openly about the importance of mental health and has encouraged people to take time for themselves and practice self-care. Shreya's public appearances are always eagerly anticipated, and her fashion choices are closely followed by her fans and the media alike. She has become a style icon for many, and her outfits are often featured in fashion magazines and on social media. Shreya's philanthropic work and her advocacy for sustainable and socially conscious fashion and beauty have helped to establish her as a role model and a positive influence on her fans and followers. She has the ability to carry off different styles with ease, whether it's traditional Indian wear or modern Western outfits. Her outfits have also played an important role in some of her movies, and she has even won awards for her performances. Furthermore, Shreya has also been involved in several social and environmental initiatives throughout her career. She has used her platform to raise awareness about various social issues and has supported organizations that work towards social and environmental causes. Shreya rocked a stunning mermaid fit gown that was glamorous in every way. The sleeveless halter neck gown had a plunging neckline, bodycon fit and cutout detailing at the midriff. The gown also featured sparkly details throughout, and she carried an embroidered stole over her shoulders. Shreya's makeup was dewy and glamorous with highlighted cheeks, kohl-rimmed eyes, voluminous mascara and a bold red lip. As for accessories, she chose a pair of studded dangling earrings and statement rings to complete her look. Another notable aspect of Shreya Saran's fashion choices is her love for accessories. She often pairs her outfits with statement pieces that add an extra edge to her look. She has been seen wearing chunky jewelry, belts, hats, and scarves that complement her outfits and add a touch of glamour. Shreya's love for accessories has also influenced the fashion industry, with many designers and fashion enthusiasts experimenting with statement pieces and bold accessories. In addition to her fashion choices, the actress is also known for her impeccable grooming and beauty routines. Her flawless skin, luscious hair, and well-groomed appearance have made her a beauty icon for many. She has often shared her skincare and haircare routines on social media, inspiring many to take better care of themselves. Shreya's appearance is simply stunning, and she never fails to set the internet ablaze with her sassy looks. Her all-new appearance is currently creating a buzz on social media, and it's worth checking out. Shreya chose a stylish black top with a half-open button-down front and paired it with a black bralette. She added a stunning wrap-around skirt with a tie knot detail on the side. She completed the look with minimal accessories, such as a chunky bracelet and stud earrings. Shreya left her hair open in soft curls and opted for subtle nude makeup. Spending a day at the beach is an ultimate delight, especially when one can enjoy the warm sun and cool breeze. Shreya Saran made her beach day even more fun and fashionable as she stepped out in a striking black swimsuit. The diva effortlessly slayed her beach look in a strappy swimsuit with a deep neckline, proving black beachwear is a timeless and safe choice. Her chic outfit was elevated with the addition of a sleek necklace and bracelets, making her look even more stunning. A sunny day at the beach demands a stylish and trendy bikini to keep up with the warm afternoon. Shreya aced the style game and spent a fashionable day in her glimmering pink bikini set. Despite being miles away from Coachella, the actress didn't miss the opportunity to bring its charm closer to her home. The dazzling pink bikini set, adorned with golden sequins, is a definite summer essential. The strappy bikini top and high-waist bottom, both equally glitzy, make it a perfect holiday favorite. Adding to the glitter, a twisted silver necklace completes her beach look, making her day out with her son more special and unforgettable. Shreya Saran's beach day is undoubtedly the highlight of the internet, and we can only imagine ourselves spending a day like that mentally. She graced the occasion wearing a beautiful pink Banarasi sari from VRK Heritage Silks. The sari is adorned with gold zari-worked floral jals and intricate kadwa meenakari work, which adds to its beauty. The borders of the sari are adorned with silver floral jals, hand-woven to match their counterparts. The blouse with a round neck, embroidered by hand in gold, was created by Sitara Kudaj. She decided to forego a neckpiece and instead chose to wear a pair of stone-studded gold earrings, a multi-stone bracelet, and a diamond ring. To complement her look, she styled her hair in soft waves, wore a bindi, and opted for nude lips and contoured cheeks. It is worth mentioning that Shreya Saran's fashion choices have also been recognized and appreciated internationally. She has walked the red carpet at several international film festivals, and her outfits have often received praise from international fashion critics. Her ability to blend traditional Indian wear with Western styles and her experimentation with bold and statement pieces have made her a favorite among international fashion enthusiasts. In addition, Shreya has also been featured in various international fashion magazines, where her fashion choices have been appreciated and celebrated. The actress recently shared a daring photo from a photoshoot that has left her social media followers yearning for more. Shreya made a strong fashion statement in favor of crochet pieces. She chose a sparkly bikini set in a bold pink color for her pool-ready look and completed the look with wet hair and no accessories. What caught our attention was the unpredictable mirror work on the vibrant hue. The cutouts on the embellished outfit only served to accentuate Shreya's stunning physique. Shreya Saran has also ventured into the world of sustainable fashion. She has actively promoted the use of eco-friendly fabrics, and her outfits have often been made from recycled materials. Shreya's commitment to sustainable fashion has also influenced her personal style. She has been seen wearing outfits made from organic cotton, recycled plastic, and other eco-friendly materials. Her support for sustainable fashion has been a driving force in the Indian fashion industry, and many designers have followed suit by incorporating eco-friendly fabrics into their collections. Furthermore, Shreya's commitment to sustainable fashion has also inspired many people to make eco-conscious choices when it comes to their clothing. Her social media platforms are filled with posts promoting sustainable fashion and encouraging people to make a difference by choosing eco-friendly clothing options. It is evident that Shreya Saran's fashion choices have had a significant impact on the fashion industry in India and beyond. She has influenced bridal wear, streetwear, film costumes, and the use of accessories. Her support for sustainable fashion, local talent, and underprivileged communities has also made her a socially conscious fashion icon. Shreya's contribution to the fashion industry goes beyond her personal style, as she has also used her platform to promote body positivity, diversity, and self-care. Her impact on the fashion and beauty industry in India and internationally has been immense, and she continues to inspire many with her fashion and beauty choices. Shreya Saran's fashion choices are always on point, and she is truly a fashion icon. Whether she's wearing a sari or a gown, she always manages to look elegant and beautiful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.